Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. My husband was super sweet and stopped by Union Special Bread. I'll leave a link to them down below. We don't usually get stuff from them for breakfast because they don't open until after we're already sort of not around that area, but it's something we pass a lot to go take the kids to school. Anyway, so he got me some biscuits and gravy, and it comes with some sort of pickled pepper on top. I'm gonna try those. If they're spicy, I might not eat very much of those, but biscuits and gravy is one of my favorite things. He's got, it looks like a bacon and egg sandwich. Does that have a hash brown patty on it? No. Yes. And he also got us a fresh loaf of sourdough, so I'm gonna have to figure out what we're gonna eat with that, I guess, for dinner. He likes to spring these things on me. He's like, hey, I bought bread. What are we gonna have? So anyway, that's my breakfast. We'll see you later. I'm a horrible vlogger. I thought about recording some clips a couple times today and never did after breakfast. So for lunch, I had leftover mashed potatoes and the pot roast stuff that I made earlier this week. I can link to that video or whatever. It was the Barefoot Contessa one. That's what my husband and I had, and I made some chicken noodle soup for my sick daughter. And then I went to the grocery store before I picked up my son this afternoon. I'm going to do a little bit of a haul, although everything's mostly put away. I got this beer for my husband. He likes stouts. This is an imperial stout with coconut and coffee, and it's only about 9.7. So, okay, only. That's pretty heavy, but some of the ones he has right now are about 10. So I got, I'm gonna show you this way. This Grand Cherry cider, that's for me. I like hard cider, and I like Blake's, but I've never tried this one, so hopefully it'll be good. I have these Greek olives that I got. They're sitting out because we have just a few of these left that I was going to combine to make space in the refrigerator. The eggplants for dinner, I didn't get that at the grocery store. I did, however, get 3 big mangoes. I don't know if it's mango season, but they were only like $1 each. So that sounded good. I got some salsa that I put away. It was just store brand salsa that I hadn't tried before. I got 2 boxes of this because they didn't have the like standard plastic bags, and I think those are about £1. And I'm gonna make some spiced crackers. We've done them with saltines before, but I wanted to do them with oyster crackers just to be a little bit more snacky, like you know, finger food, eat instead of just the big cracker. What else? Oh, I got a couple of things of cheese. I quite often get cheese here. I got some mild blue cheese. That is probably for a recipe. I was pretty sure that was in the recipe, but I did not remember exactly, but it looked good. And I've got this organic farmstead Oma. I have no idea what this is, but I like to try things. So we're gonna have some of that. I was probably gonna just slice some up and have it with the bread that we're having with dinner tonight. Oh, and what we're having for dinner tonight includes some of that eggplant. I was gonna make eggplant and onion and red bell pepper, and I don't have any squash. I didn't get any because I didn't want to do that, but tomatoes, and the bread I talked about earlier. And I got these chicken breast cutlets with lemon and garlic that I was gonna cook somehow, some way, and serve with all of that. And I think that'll be good. I think that'll be fine. Lighting is much better with the light facing me. Anyway, so that's it. It's time to make dinner. It's like almost 6 o'clock. So that's what I'm gonna do now. It's the end of the night. Day 21 of Vlogmas. Day 20 for our Scotch whiskey advent calendar. And this is our first and only lowland Scotch. So this is kind of light, but not super light. A 15-year-old single grain Scotch from Girvan Distillery, which is on the west coast of mainland Scotland, south of Glasgow. This is aged in first fill bourbon barrels, and we should taste tropical fruits, honeyed cereal, and sweet spice. So, this says it is 43% alcohol by volume. Not bad. Did a good job. Anyway, this is an older, but 1960s. The distillery was opened in 1963, apparently. It smells good. I'm not sure I can pick out any of those flavors in the scent. Definitely very fruity. I'm not sure if I would say tropical, but I feel like my palate's gotten worse. We did one of these a few years ago, and I felt like I was really good at picking out exactly what I was tasting. Not so much lately. But it's very fruity, definitely a little bit sweet, and pretty smooth because, well, I mean, it's a 15-year-old, so generally I would expect that to be relatively smooth. I like it. We'll see what my cameraman thinks of it. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back. Watch us